Can you imagine waking up every day with more money than you had when you went to bed? Think about opening your bank account each morning and seeing your balance has grown, all while you were enjoying a good night's sleep. Today, we're going to discover how you can turn that dream into reality. I'll reveal 10 investments that can start generating passive income for you, even now. Ready to change your financial life? Let's dive into the world where your money works for you. When we talk about passive income, we refer to earnings derived from a source that doesn't require your constant attention. It's the holy grail of financial freedom. But do you know what the best part about passive income is? The ability to scale your finances without increasing your working hours. These earnings allow you to spend time on what you truly love, while your money keeps flowing. Now, imagine having not just one, but several sources of passive income. This not only boosts your financial security, but also accelerates your path to economic independence. Let's start with one of the most traditional and powerful ways to generate passive income: real estate. Many think you need large sums of money to begin, but today I'll show you how you can get started with much less than you might imagine. A great way to do this is through real estate investment trusts. These trusts allow you to invest in top-tier properties without having to buy them outright. The best part is that they distribute at least 90% of their income to investors as dividends. This means regular income for you, without the headaches of being a landlord. Imagine receiving a check every month just for making a smart investment decision. And if you prefer something more hands-on, investing in rental properties remains a proven strategy. With the right research and a good location, rental income can cover your mortgages and expenses, while the property value continues to increase. The next stop on our journey to passive income generation is dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that not only have the potential to appreciate in value, but also regularly reward you with a portion of their profits. Think of it as receiving a slice of the pie every quarter, just for owning a piece of the company. Here's the key: reinvest those dividends. By doing so, you buy more shares, increasing future dividend distributions and compounding your investment over time. Choosing the right stocks is crucial. Look for companies with a proven track record of dividend payments and a strong market position. This can provide you with a stable source of passive income and considerable security, even in uncertain economic times. And the best part? You can start with small amounts and gradually build your portfolio, adjusting it at your own pace and financial capacity. Another powerful tool for building passive income is indexed funds. These funds invest in a broad market spectrum, mirroring the performance of a specific index like the S&P 500. The beauty of indexed funds lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. On one hand, they reduce risk through diversification. On the other, they keep operational costs low, meaning more money in your pocket. Moreover, when you invest in an indexed fund, you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks or the right timing to buy or sell. Everything is managed automatically, making your investment truly passive. With a small initial investment and regular contributions, you can harness the power of compound interest, watching your money grow exponentially over time. Indexed funds are ideal for those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it way to invest, offering peace of mind and steady growth. Moving towards a more creative option, creating digital content offers an exciting avenue for generating passive income. Whether you're writing a blog, launching an online course, or even creating videos, your content can continue to generate income long after it's been published. Getting started is easier than you think. Platforms like WordPress for blogs, Udemy for courses, and YouTube for videos allow you to publish and monetize your content with no significant upfront cost. The key here is to create content that resonates and adds value to your audience. This can translate into ongoing visits, subscriptions, and sales, which turn into regular income. And remember, once your content is online, it can continue to attract new viewers and generate income without any additional effort on your part. It's the epitome of do the work once, earn repeatedly.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Let's explore franchises and licenses, two investment vehicles that can generate significant passive income with the right structure. Investing in a franchise means buying the right to operate a business under the brand and model of an established company. This gives you access to a proven system and often includes ongoing training and support. The key is to select a franchise with a business model that requires minimal supervision, maximizing the potential for passive income. On the other hand, licenses allow you to collect royalties for allowing someone else to use your intellectual property. This could be anything from a patent to an artistic work. With a well-structured contract, you can enjoy a steady flow of income without the need for active management. Both options require an initial investment and careful selection, but with the right decision, you can build a robust source of passive income. Now, let's talk about a form of investment that's becoming increasingly popular: peer-to-peer lending. This method allows investors to lend money directly to other individuals or businesses through online platforms, eliminating the need for a traditional bank intermediary. The appeal of this type of investment is that you can choose who you lend to and under what terms, thus managing the risk and potential return. Interest rates are typically higher than those offered by banks, reflecting the greater risk but also the higher potential return. It's an excellent way to diversify your passive income sources and actively participate in the economic growth of others. Another strategy to maximize your passive income is through the automation of your investments. Using investment robots or robo-advisors, you can manage and optimize your investment portfolio with minimal intervention. These tools use complex algorithms to analyze the market and adjust your investments according to changing conditions, ensuring that you're always positioned for the best possible return. It's perfect for those who want to invest but don't have the time or expertise to manage the day-to-day details. You just set your preferences and goals and let the technology do the hard work for you. Next, let's explore an exciting investment option with high growth potential: investing in startups through equity crowdfunding platforms. This method allows you to become a shareholder in emerging and growing businesses from their early stages. Although this type of investment carries higher risk due to the uncertain nature of startups, the return can be substantially high if the company is successful. Platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo allow you to explore various projects and companies seeking funding, giving you the opportunity to invest in innovations that you believe will succeed in the market. In addition to potential financial returns, you also gain the satisfaction of knowing that you are helping to bring new ideas and products to life. A less volatile and safer investment option are municipal and corporate bonds. These debt instruments allow you to lend money to governmental entities or corporations in exchange for periodic interest payments. Municipal bonds, in particular, are often tax-free regarding the interest you receive, making them extremely attractive for investors in certain tax brackets. On the other hand, corporate bonds typically offer higher interest rates, reflecting a greater risk compared to government bonds. This is an excellent way to generate passive income with relatively low risk, ideal for those who prefer a conservative approach to investing. Finally, let's consider short-term vacation rentals as another powerful source of passive income. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO have revolutionized the rental market, allowing you to turn a property or even an extra room into a significant source of income. With proper management, this option can be more lucrative than traditional rentals, offering the flexibility to adjust prices according to the season and demand. Additionally, with the help of property management tools and automated systems, you can minimize your daily involvement, turning it into a true passive income. Now you have 10 powerful strategies to make your money work for you and start building those passive incomes that will transform your financial life. Remember, the path to financial freedom begins with the first step, and every investment you make is another brick in your economic fortress. Which of these options has interested you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos where we will continue exploring each of these opportunities in detail. Until next time, and may your investments prosper. See you in the next video.